So today I'm taking my Rice Water Bright foam cleanser from the brand called The Face Shop. So please take out your face wash. I have normal to dry skin. Apply your face wash onto your full face like this. Rub the product in between your hands. Start massaging. Keep on massaging your face. Never avoid your neck. So I've done with my face wash. Take out your toner. I'm using the Face Shop toner today. It says Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Toner. You can take this toner on top of your cotton pad, or you can take this toner in between your hands and start patting onto your skin. If you have the particular toner, any toner in a spray form, just spray onto your face 5 to 7 pumps. If you have rose water, if you have astringent, if you have cucumber toner, which is nowadays my favorite, so you can spray it onto your face and leave it on, let it dry on its own. So let's start applying our toner. Now I'm just tapping it. Never ever apply your toner on your under eye area, and especially if your toner is alcohol based. So I'm done. Now I'm allowing this toner to dry on its own. Give 1 or 2 minutes and it will dry. Take out your pack. Today we are using tamarind face pack. I've taken 2 pulps of tamarind, 2 teaspoons of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of honey, and then I've mixed all the ingredients together and made the paste. And the paste will look something like this. For normal to oily skin, I've taken 2 teaspoons of pulp of my tamarind and then 2 teaspoons of chickpea flour, which is besan, and 2 teaspoons of curd, and mix all the ingredients together, and my paste will look something like this. Always apply in upward movements, and the benefits of this particular mask will be explained by my girl gang.
Face mask on our pimples also.
Yes, you can. Okay, I'll tell you why you should apply this face mask on your pimples, because it has anti-inflammatory properties into it and it will make your pimples calm down. If you have any kind of reaction, any kind of sensitivity, if you have any kind of rashes, it will calm down your skin. Okay, Lisha, start talking about this mask.
मैंने जो पैक रेडी करा है दैट इज फॉर नॉर्मल टू ड्राई स्किन. इसमें एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी प्रॉपर्टीज हैं, हमारी स्किन को टोन करता है, ब्राइटन अप करता है, जितने भी हमारे डार्क स्पॉट्स और पिगमेंटेशंस होते हैं वो भी रिड्यूस करता है. और अगर आपके फेस पे कोई भी पुराना वूंड का मार्क रह गया है तो रेगुलर यूज से टर्मरिन पैक से वो मार्क भी रिड्यूस होता है. कोई वूंड का अगर मार्क है आपके फेस पे, बॉडी पे कहीं भी, अगर आप ये पैक लगाओगे तो धीरे धीरे वो मार्क्स भी चले जाते हैं. प्रिवेंट्स फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फ्री रेडिकल्स भी कम होते हैं. जितने भी आपकी बॉडी में रेडिकल्स बन रहे होते हैं उसका फॉर्मेशन को रोकता है. और आपकी अगर सेंसिटिव स्किन है या स्किन में इरिटेशन होता है उसको भी सूथ डाउन करता है.
Thank you, Nilisha.
You're welcome.
Never ever forget your neck. Always apply your face mask on your neck as well. So I'm done with my face mask and leave my face mask for good 5 to 6 minutes. And I never allow my face mask to dry completely 100% because we are doing it on a daily basis. We should never ever allow our face mask to dry 100% because again it starts stretching our skin.
So benefits of tamarind is, as I think all the girls, they have already shared these points, that it has alpha hydrogen. It really reduces spots and blemishes. Let me also see, I'll try these packs quite often, and it keeps your skin very clear. It gives you little glow also, and it helps us to heal the wounds, as I think Nisha has told us. Secondly, it helps in anti-aging also, and I think all the girls have shared these points, and I think we can make best of the packs from this. For pimple cleansers, we can make packs, we can make packs for acne, for dark spots, and I think Shikha is the best person to tell us about.
So if you have any kind of rosacea, if you have any kind of sensitive skin, so this tamarind mask will be a best solution for you. It has anti-aging properties. So yeah, you will be getting glow as well. You can't stop aging. Of course, everything is going down because of the gravity. Your skin is coming down, it is sagging, so it will improve your anti-aging. It will give you anti-aging benefits, and it will give you immense glow as well. So yeah, in totality, this mask is a great skin food, you can say that. I'm liking the result of this mask. Take out your moisturizer. I'm using my Clinic one. It says dramatically different moisturizing lotion. I've taken this much amount. This much amount is more than enough. Apply it onto your full face in small dots. Rub the product in between your hands so that it should be warm enough. And after that, start massaging it onto your face. Use upward stroke and circular movements. And start massaging it onto your neck. Okay, I am taking my Kiehl's under eye treatment with avocado. Okay, take out your under eye creams.
आपको मैं बताती हूँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिला है कल रात को.
क्या? किससे? किससे?
From my husband. I did my skin and I sent you the pics, right? Last night. And he told me, have you done makeup?
क्या बात है, wow.
So I was like, yeah, I have done makeup and I'm going out for a night out.
Take out your lip balms. I'm using Laneige today. This is one of my favorite products. You can buy it from Nykaa. Okay. And I'm done.
वैसे तो मैं स्पेशली आपके लिए डेडिकेट करना चाहती हूँ, वो मैं बाद में करूंगी, बट अभी स्पेशली आपके लिए सिर्फ एक 2 लाइन गाना चाहती हूँ. मुस्कुराने की वजह तुम हो, गुनगुनाने की वजह तुम हो, जिया जाए ना जाए ना जाए ना ओ शिखाती. Love you, love you, love you.
Thank you so much.
Sorry, that was really bad. That was really...
You sing so well.
Yeah, I love singing.
Thank you. I feel
Thank
so
you.
blessed that I have met all of you and you are in my girl gang. आज का सेशन यहाँ खत्म करते हैं इन अच्छी मेमोरीज के साथ, इस अच्छे गाने के साथ. So see you all tomorrow. Bye. Take care.